welcome you watching on Bosco Media Network. This is Monlisa Rumbai, bring to you the Salesian news across the globe.
Coming up next, Salesian News Asia Pacific. Hello folks, glad to have you join us for the 140th episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. I'm your host RJ Brand of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. Italy, 28 out of 33 Salesian family groups attend 41st Spirituality Days. Sister K. Uthampon reports from Valdocco.
The 41st Salesian Family Spirituality Days was held in Valdocco, Turin, from 12 to 15 January 2023. Some 200 members from 28 out of 33 Salesian family groups participated. Rector Major and Salesian family group leaders shared spirituality, prayed together, and reflected on the 2023 Strena as the yeast in today's human family, the lay dimension of the family of Don Bosco. Several hundreds of Salesian family members participated in the world event all 4 days in real time, thanks to live streaming from Valdocco in 5 languages. East Asia Oceania region also organized online programs in 7 more languages under the leadership of Philippines North Province, as well as technical and translation support from several provinces. The Strena would be studied worldwide in the coming week as built up to the Feast of Don Bosco, starting from Feast of Saint Francis de Sales. The Salesian Family Spirituality Days was started in 1983.
Sister K. Uthampon reporting. Pope Francis declared 2025 as the Jubilee Year. Church Art Kolkata offers a fitting inspiration to the Jubilee Year with its collection of life-size statues, 14 Stations of the Cross, 20 Mysteries of the Holy Rosary, Lives of Saints, and innumerable murals on the life of Jesus and liturgical designs to embellish existing church doors. Also available are 10 panels of St. Francis of Assisi's Canticle of Creation to testify your institution's green commitment. For hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco past pupil by email churchart.ganguli@gmail.com or WhatsApp, Telegram, country code 919831020945. India Salesian family reflects on Strena 2023. Sudha Pillai reports from Mumbai.
The Salesian Family Day of Mumbai Province was held on 8 January 2023 at Don Bosco, Kurla, Mumbai. Some 220 Salesian family members attended the day-long program. Salesian family in Mumbai Province consists of Salesians, Salesian sisters, Adma, Salesian cooperators, past pupils, SMI sisters, and parents of the Salesians. Father Joe Braganza explained the Strena 2023 given by the Rector Major as the East in today's human family. In the context of the Strena, Salesian Provincial Father Savio Silveira proposed the example of Salesian cooperator Attilio Giordani for Salesian family to emulate. Marking the Feast of the Epiphany, Provincial encouraged members to reveal Christ, as did the wise men. The day concluded with members presenting their activity reports and short cultural program on Salesian themes.
Sudha Pillai reporting. You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. India, Don Bosco past pupils felicitate 10 Salesian College Sonada alumni. Brother Banhun Langlingdo report.
Don Bosco School Lilwa alumni, marking 55th year of the School Alumni Association, held their first post-corona reunion on 15th January 2023. Organizing a mega event, some 650 past students attended the gathering. Besides felicitating Salesians of the Lilwa community near Kolkata, 9 past rectors and principals of the school, all Salesian College alumni, were felicitated with shawls during a 6-hour evening program which started with high tea and concluded with dinner. Alumni arriving from various parts of India and abroad visited new facilities and assembly hall to be addressed by Principal Father Manoj Jose and Rector Father Davis Valian. President of Alumni Association Mr. Bishwanath Trivedi was anchor. South Asia Salesian Family Delegate Father Joseph Manipadam and Provincial in charge of Salesian Family Father Joseph Pauria, both from Kolkata province, were present. Provincial thanked alumni for running free night school for underprivileged children up to class 8 in the same school premises and conducting free weekly medical camps. He also thanked them for assisting rural schools in the province, particularly Don Bosco Polchandamore. Crowd puller of the evening was performance by 2003 batch Bollywood playback singer Samrat Sarkar and band. School established in 1938 has both high school as well as technical school. Alumni Association established in 1967 has over 1,000 registered members.
Brother Banhun Langlingdo reporting. North Vietnam Northern Delegation holds Salesian Family Day. Father Augustine Do Phuoc reports.
Salesian Family Day was celebrated on 11th of January 2023 at the headquarters of the Salesian Delegation of North Vietnam in Vạn Phúc Parish, Thanh Chi district of capital Hanoi. Currently in the Northern Delegation, in addition to 48 Salesians working in 11 communities, there are 4 groups of the Salesian family. The Daughters of Mary of Christians, 38 sisters in 5 communities, a center of the Salesian cooperators with 25 members, 5 Don Bosco volunteers, and 2 groups of the Association of Mary of Christians ATMA with 122 members. The event was also attended by some young people from the Salesian youth movement and some representatives from the parishes where the Salesians served. Superior of the North Vietnam delegation, Father John Baptist Chen Van Hao, presented Director Major Strand 2023 and presided over the Mass in honor of Don Bosco.
Father Augustine Do Phuoc reporting. Japan Provincial invites Salesian family to join more forces with each other in the style of Don Bosco. Alumnus Rafael Makoto Yamada reports from Tokyo.
The annual online Salesian Family Joint Council was held on 12th January 2023, involving the representatives from each group was a Salesian family in Japan. Salesians, Salesian sisters, Salesian cooperators, SDP and FMA past pupils, Caritas Sisters of Jesus, ADMA, and VDB. In the 2-hour meeting, each group shared the news of the joys of the past year, the ingenuity with which they have continued their activity despite COVID-19, the challenges for future development, and the goals for the year ahead. Then, the Salesians called on the groups to support the young people of the Salesian Youth Movement Japan, scheduled to expand overseas in this year of the World Youth Day, Lisbon 2023. Participants were invited to join the Salesian Family Spiritual Days, starting soon, and introduced this year's Strana and its draft posters of the Japanese version. Provincial Father Jacob Hamaguchi also invited participants to join more forces with each other to live the life of Jesus in the style of Don Bosco.
Rafael Makoto Yamada reporting. Those are the latest from Salesian News Asia Pacific. This show was brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. Enjoy the rest of your day.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.